If you have ever lost your VSL password, this is how you can get it back. So let's find a guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe and write a comment. So if you ever lost your VSL password, this is how you can create a new one. I use this guide that I will link in the description below. So like I did, I forgot my VSL password, so now I will change the password for my Linux user. So let's leave the VSL prompt and let's go to the command prompt and run ubuntu config default user root, so we can get in as the root user, since that's the user that can reset our password. Let's start VSL again. Windows Subsystem for Linux is what it means. Now just run the command to change the password for your username. Now the coder in my case, and I pick a new password. There you have it. Now I have a new password I can use. Now we're gonna switch back to default user, to your own user instead of root user, and then you should be ready to go. So let's start VSL again. And now when I run sudo, I know what password I have. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.